Level 2, you can do it from the side. So you can have both knees, or one leg straight, or both legs straight. But the whole thing is, the whole theme is that your body's in a straight line and not jackknifed. So for example, if you saw me from the end, I'm like this. I'm not like this. Okay. So, from the side, however you would like it to go. Roll the bottom lung forward, the top lung back. The shoulders are stacked, and there's a vertical line between the wrist, the elbow, and the shoulder on the opposite side. Level 3 is to raise the top leg. So, just getting out of the way of my treadmill. If you're from your knees, you can raise your top leg. If you have one leg straight, raise the top leg. If you have your leg straight, raise the top leg, any height you would like. And level 4 would be to raise the top leg and your arm. Open up your palm so the palm is not cupping, and stretch the distance between the base of your thumb and the base of your pinky finger. And there's a lot of tension between my left wrist and my right wrist. And this is really great for posture, opening up the chest, recruiting the back.